websites and forums that help traders in the Forex trading process. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for every Forex trader: websites and forums that can significantly boost your trading journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having access to the right resources can make a massive difference in your decision-making and overall success. Let's explore some of the best platforms that provide valuable insights, analysis, and a supportive community for traders. This is often the go-to platform for beginner Forex traders. BabyPips offers a free and comprehensive educational course called the School of Pipsology. It covers everything from the basics of Forex trading to advanced strategies. The website also features a vibrant forum where traders exchange ideas and discuss strategies. Easy to understand content for all levels. Active forums for trading discussions. 2. Forex Factory. Forex Factory is one of the most popular websites for Forex traders. It offers real-time market news, an economic calendar, and an active forum where traders share their analyses and experiences. The economic calendar is detailed and highly accurate. The forum has a mix of beginners and professional traders sharing insights. 3. MyFXbook. This platform allows you to track and analyze your trading performance. It also offers a community section where traders share their strategies and experiences. MyFXbook is a great tool for understanding where your trading can improve. Advanced analytics for your trading performance. Signal services and strategies shared by other traders. 4. Investing.com. A comprehensive site for traders of all markets, including Forex. It provides live charts, technical analysis tools, and up-to-date financial news. Their Forex-specific section is incredibly detailed, with everything from forecasts to educational content. A one-stop shop for charts, news, and analysis. Known for its powerful charting tools, TradingView is ideal for traders who rely heavily on technical analysis. It also has a social network feature where traders can share chart ideas and strategies. Highly customizable charts. A social platform to learn from and interact with other traders. Why forums are crucial for traders. Forums give you the chance to learn from others' experiences and get answers to your questions. They also help you stay updated on market trends and strategies. Joining a supportive community of traders can make your journey more engaging and successful. If you're ready to start trading or want to switch to a reliable broker, check out the most trusted and best Forex broker through the link in the description and pinned comment below. Open your account today to take advantage of a secure and seamless trading experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to respond.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.